Hello and welcome in Rookie's Academy. Today, in this bright and sunny day, we'll do a really simple and easy fix instead of complicated and expensive repair. We will fix a windscreen chip by using this really cheap kit which costs us around $10, and that's relatively nothing compared to a couple of hundreds for a new windscreen. And we will fix this minor, barely visible front windscreen chip, but it's here, believe me. How we can see it better. So let's get it on. Alright, so now after plus minus 30 some minutes our repair is done, and as you can see, chip is not completely gone but is barely visible and looks much better if you ask me. I think the main purpose of it was to prevent it from getting bigger and bigger. Was it worth it? I'd say $10. Yeah, it was. Is it perfect? No, it's not. But still, the job's done. Alright guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.